Alright, what's kicking y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear. Don't you have no fear. Today's episode is Pokemon flavored, and I have 4 more Hidden Fates pin sets. I'm sorry, I have an addiction. We're going to be opening these for a while. After I started opening these, I recorded the first 2 episodes, and I went out and I wiped out another GameStop. So I'm going to be collecting these boxes wherever I can find them. So I have 4 today. Hopefully I can find another 4, and we just do 4 per episode until we get all the shinies we're looking for. I still would like to get... So I spoiled the set now. When I first went into the set, I had not looked at the set list at all. But I want to get the Full Art Shiny Noivern, the Full Art Shiny Lucario, and the Scizor. So those are the big 3 that I really want. And I will say, Enharmonic and I... So we picked up these 4. There's actually 5. I opened one off of camera, okay? I normally don't open product off of camera, but we pulled this, and she was like, "No, why did we open that one? That one should have been for the camera." So I wanted to share that one for you. We got the gold rare Tapu Bulu, and so I lost my mind when we pulled this. She wanted an ice cream cone over at Sonic, and we were waiting for the ice cream cone to come, and she's like, "Can we please just do one? I just want to open one." I was like, okay, we can do that. So we open it. We got the Tapu Bulu GX as well. Just so you know where we are at with the progress of collecting all the shinies from this set. We also got the Altaria. So by now, if you're watching all of these, you should be caught up with my pulls. So I'm going to talk about my pulls from the other packs. If you haven't watched the other Hidden Fates openings and you'd like to keep this stuff kind of like a surprise, just like enjoy the excitement with me, you might want to watch those first. I think I'm just going to start linking them all down in the description for all the Hidden Fates. Of course, so apparently this is like a one and done set. I don't know. That's what I keep hearing, but I'm panicking because I don't... Kwikpanik. It's my namesake. But I really don't want to miss out on being able to collect this full set because I love shiny Pokemon so much. I'm actually recording this when I should be going live on Twitch, so I already apologize to the Quick Fam in the Discord chat and let them know that I would be a little bit late. I wanted to record these all now because I can't wait to see what I get. So let's get into the first pack. I've already done so many of these that I'm not showing off the promo or the pin anymore. There is your code card whenever it decides to go. So apparently there's a shiny Rayquaza GX 123. Flip over the energy. It's dark. There is a shiny Rayquaza GX box that'll be coming out like the Shining Ho-Oh, where we got this mat here in the background. So there will be one of those, and it'll have 10 packs. 10 packs? I think it was 10 packs. Then it has another mat, and then the Shining Rayquaza, Lunala, Solgaleo, and Necrozma. Ultra Necrozma, I think. Anyway, so we'll be opening that in the future. We're going to open every single Hidden Fates product. But without any further ado, we got Chansey, Brock's Grit, Scyther. I think I have all the commons from this set now, so doing real well with that part. Magikarp, Pikachu, but I actually don't have too many of the holos, and I mean just like the regular holographic cards. Voltorb, Coughing, the reverse is behind Cubone. Ha! Got him. Is Misty's Water Command, and the rare is a Lapras. That's a really cool looking Lapras, okay? Okay? It's funny because when I open other booster packs, I usually take in the beautiful art on all the cards a lot more, but there's so few different common cards. Oh my gosh, this pack tastes awful. I think I said that in another video. There is your code card. Hope you enjoy that. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's psychic. But there's so few commons. It looks like the main attraction for these is going to be the shinies, which, you know, the shiny vault is a big deal. But I can't revel in the common cards anymore. Paris, the reverse is behind Charmander. Dang it, I'm always one off. Ooh, shiny Sudowoodo! I love shiny Sudowoodo. Any Pokemon that has a shiny that is red, like Lightbird and Typhlosion are my favorite shinies, and they're red when they're shiny. Ooh! Okay, I gotta get a penny sleeve for that. And the rare is a Golem. Woohoo! I really like shiny Sudowoodo. See, I looked at the set list, but I didn't linger on it too long, so I didn't even know this was one of them. This set is so cool. When will the childlike wonder die? Never. Not with this set. So to be honest, okay, so my favorite sets ranked. Oh my gosh. My favorite sets ranked. Team Rocket, definitely number 1. And then second is going to be Neo Genesis. And the third would be Hidden Fates, for sure. Shiny Legends doesn't even hold a candle to this, and I thought that was a really good set. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel. It's not metal. If you say metal, you're kicked out of the club. All right? All right? We got ourselves Misty's Determination, a Scyther, a very blurry Jinx for some reason, Cubone, an Eevee, Clefairy, Psyduck. The reverse is after Ekans. Oh, shiny Ryalu! Yes, sir! 2 shinies back to back, and the rare. It's the legendary bird trio. This is the third one we've gotten. It's a cool looking card, I gotta say, but I pulled the rainbow rare. And can you just focus, Ryalu? Look at that. I love shiny Ryalu. There's actually a famous Kwikpanik clip of me shiny hunting Ryalu. And you know what? I'm going to link that so you can live through that exciting moment with me back when that happened. That was when I first started shiny hunting on Twitch. So that was a pretty decent box. We got 2 shinies, no full art shinies for the first one. But we have 3 Mew boxes now. For some reason, they only had 1 Mewtwo, 3 Mews. Where's the love for poor baby Mew? Right? Right? So let's get this out of here. Can we get a Charizard? Can we get a Charizard out of these 4? I would die. I would die of happiness. Like, it wouldn't be a bad death. Like, don't cry for me. There's your pin. I know I said I wasn't going over these, but I'm already coming this far. Look at Mew. He's so cute. Okay. 2 Charizard packs in this one. That means one of these gotta be a Charizard, right? Makes sense. So I have Charmander. I need Charmeleon and Charizard. Can we do it? I have Ryalu. Can I get Lucario to go with that? I wouldn't even be mad. There is your code card. Hope you enjoy. I saw people selling the code cards. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water, not ice. It's water, TCG players. But I give them to you for free because I love you and I don't have the time or the patience to sell code cards. My goodness. Charmeleon, Charmander, Magikarp, Slowpoke, Clefairy, Coughing, and the reverse. Oh, Xurkitree! Full art. Yes, sir. I haven't gotten that one yet. Now we have 2 of the Ultra Beasts. We have Xurkitree and Kartana. Xurkitree, and then the rares Brock's Training. That is a good pack, my friends. Look at that. What a cool heckin' card. Oh, why do you look so good? That's... the set! I'm telling you, the set is good! Let's get into the next pack before I lose my mind. All right. So, there is your code card. Nice and blurry. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's electric. If you say lightning, we are not best friends. Not even a little bit. We got Jinx, Misty's Determination, Brock's Pewter City Gym. We got Pikachu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Coughing, Cubone. The reverse is Bill's Analysis, and the rare. Ooh, Starmie GX. I haven't pulled that one yet either. I'm 100% serious about completing this set. So the fact, knock on wood, that I haven't gotten too many duplicates except for the legendary bird trio, that's a good thing for me. I'm a big fan of that. Okay, so we've gotten 1 shiny out of this one, but we got the GX, so we probably won't get a shiny. Maybe we'll get a regular shiny in the reverse rare slot. Let's find out. Here's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. It's dark. All right. We got ourselves a beautiful little Farfetch'd hugging his Link. We got a Jinx, Misty's Determination, Ekans, Psyduck, Staryu, Clefairy, Slowpoke. The reverse rare is... and the rare. Ooh, Raichu GX. Look, that was a good pack. We got Xurkitree GX, Starmie, and then we got Raichu. Dang, I didn't even know how many GXs were in this set. In all those packs I've opened so far, I pulled Onix. Is that it? The cards are right here. I pulled Onix. Oh, and Wigglytuff. And then the legendary bird trio. Whoo, I didn't even know these cards were in here. All right, let's get into the next box. We need another full art shiny. What do we got? Xurkitree? Who's next? Noivern. Come on. Noivern, I actually want second most out of all the shinies in this set. And I know that's really random. But that was one of the Pokemon where I saw it in X and Y when it came out. I was like, ooh, that's a really cool Pokemon. And then I saw the shiny, and it's teal. And I was like, oh, baby. I need that in shiny form. And one of my viewers actually shiny hunted it for me and hatched it and gave it to me as a gift. So I really love that Pokemon. Maybe it's because of that. I don't know. But I named it Ridley. Well, she nicknamed it Ridley for me because it reminds me of the main bad guy in Metroid Prime. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's electric. It's not lightning. Raichu will get mad if you say lightning. We got Graveler. Farfetch'd. We got a Brock's Pewter City Gym. Eevee. Pikachu. Got ourselves a Clefairy. Jigglypuff. Caterpie. And the reverse. Ooh, shiny Wimpod. Another new shiny. And the rare is Jolteon. Woohoo, another shiny. Wimpod has a cool shiny too. I wish Golisopod wasn't such a piece of straight up garbage can. Poor Golisopod. I know he's supposed to look awesome. He looks like he's from, what's that movie, District 9? Like those aliens. And then his ability makes him leave the battle. I don't like that. There's your code card. But he gets first impression, which is a good attack. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel. Don't say metal. Don't you dare say metal. We got a Charmeleon, Wartortle, Mewtwo, Tentacruel, Aerodactyl, Ammonite, Slowpoke, Pidgeot. The reverse rare is another steel energy, and the rare. Ooh, Zapdos. I don't have that. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby. Another Zapdos card. I actually don't have this one. I've pulled so few of the regular holos. All right. Let's do it. Full art shiny right now. I believe in us. Just believe in the Kwikpanik that believes in us, okay? There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water. It's not ice, okay? Okay, don't use that for ice Pokemon. Make an ice energy, you moochers. Jinx. Graveler. Farfetch'd. Staryu. Jigglypuff. Ekans. Geodude. Cubone. The reverse is a shiny Darkrai GX. Woo, baby, look at that card. Oh, this is another one I didn't realize was in the set. Oh, and the rare is Brock's Training. I'm sorry, Brock's Training. You are just a little bit less exciting than this Darkrai. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Okay, we got one more box. One more box. Okay, if we can get one more full art, I will claim this to be a success. I will claim it to be a success. There is your code card. There you go. Mew, get over here. I wish I could just teleport these pins to you, because I really don't. I don't have a use for 900 Mew and Mewtwo pins. I don't. Maybe you guys can think of something creative. I want 2 for my corkboard, and that's it. My corkboard that I still need you guys to figure out for me. There is the code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting, it's not ground, and it's not rock. We got ourselves a Lieutenant Surge of Strategy, Chansey. We got ourselves Misty Cerulean Gym, Magikarp, Geodude, Clefairy, Eevee. The reverse is a Formosa. Okay, I haven't pulled that one either. And the rare is Lapras. Look at the shiny Formosa. Oh, the collection's coming along swimmingly. Can you just focus? I don't even know what the difference between regular Formosa is and shiny Formosa. But I feel like Formosa normally has, like, yellow hair? I don't know. Sorry, the Ultra Beasts didn't interest me for shiny hunts. But this set is making me love them. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fire. This pack's gonna be fire. We got Brock's Grit, Koga's Trap, Misty Cerulean City Gym, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Ekans, Eevee. The reverse is behind Pikachu, and it's, ooh, shiny Buzzwole. And the rare is another Lapras. Okay, I get it. We're getting all the Ultra Beasts. They were not happy with what I said. Can we focus on Buzzwole? Focus on him. There you go. Oh, I like how green he is. That makes me happy. Oh! All right, last pack. I just want to say thank you so much for your support. If you could please leave a like on this video, it means a bunch to me. And subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I bring Pokemon and Funko Pop content all day, every day. Well, every week. So 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Fairy. Let's see what we got. Fast forward. Go. Giovanni's Exile. It's blurry. Hurry. There we go. Giovanni's Exile, Koga's Trap, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, Jigglypuff, Caterpie, Paris, Psyduck, Charmander. The reverse is Koga's Trap, and the rare is Brock's Training. Follow me on Twitch if you haven't already. I'm streaming Friday through Monday. All of my YouTube videos go up on Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. Central Time and Sunday at 12 p.m. Central Time. And I'm throwing in a couple extra videos now. So appreciate your support. That's all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.